Apple, the world's most valuable company. The giant that turned phones into fashion, technology into status, and innovation into religion. What if I told you the empire just stumbled? Exploding head. Yes, you heard it right. Apple stock lost over $50 billion in value, and it all happened right after unveiling the iPhone 17. Now, let's pause here. $50 billion. That's not pocket change. That's more than the GDP of some entire countries. Imagine creating a phone, hyping it up for years, and then boom, the market says, nope, not impressed. But why? What went wrong? Let's break it down. There are 6 big reasons behind this crash. Keycap 1, underwhelming innovation. The iPhone 17 didn't wow people. Instead of groundbreaking features, it offered minor upgrades, a slightly better camera, a brighter screen, and small tweaks. Fans expected a revolution, but got a refresh. Keycap 2, weak AI strategy. In 2025, AI is the new gold rush. Microsoft, Google, and Nvidia are racing ahead, but Apple announced its big AI overhaul won't come until 2026. That's like showing up to the party after everyone's gone home. Keycap 3, financial pressures. Apple quietly absorbed $1 billion in US tariffs instead of raising prices. Good for customers, but bad for profits. Wall Street hates shrinking margins. Keycap 4, leaks killed the surprise. Weeks before the launch, almost everything about the iPhone 17 was already out. By the time Tim Cook said, "One more thing," the internet replied, "Yeah, we saw that already." Keycap 5, design backlash. Even the new design changes got criticism. Instead of hype, the reaction was, "Meh, I'll keep my old phone." Keycap 6, investor panic. Put it all together, and investors started dumping Apple stock like it was hot lava. And that mass sell-off, that's where the $50 billion vanished. Now picture this. Investors glued to the live launch, waiting for magic. Instead, they got deja vu. Fans shrugged. Investors panicked. And within minutes, billions evaporated. The real danger for Apple isn't competition. It's apathy. When even loyal fans stop caring, the empire starts to tremble. Does this mean Apple is finished? Not really. This is still a trillion-dollar beast with more cash reserves than some governments. But it's a wake-up call, because history shows no empire falls in a day. First it stumbles, then it slips, and finally it collapses. Pause for effect, soft dramatic music. So the real question is this just a stumble or the first crack in Apple's shiny glass kingdom? I want to hear from you. Do you think Apple can bounce back stronger? Or is this the beginning of its downfall? Drop your thoughts below. I'll be replying to as many as I can. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button fire, subscribe for more deep dives into the stories behind the headlines, and share this with that one Apple fan in your group chat who refuses to hear anything negative about the company. Because one thing's for sure, the Apple story is far from over.